Hello, my name is Alejandra Cuevas. Why is the systemic product important in psychology? Holistic view, the systemic approach considering individuals as part of broader system, family, community, society, allow for abilities on the collapse of the human interest and the context with the found interconnection of factors in the list the endless vast factors so first family, social, culture and biological environment, internet flame, behavior and the psychology with behind. Android clubs uses. It facilitates the incidence of psychological problems for relation perspective, consider the interperson and the contextual dynamic contribute these issues. Focus on relations, it is process, interaction and the communication patterns within system with this crossel inclusive therapy, family therapy, or contexts where relationships are central. Promotes positive change by focus on modify disposal patterns within system. The system potentiality and the latent change in the emotional and relational will be led of individuals. What uses this theme para the contrary to fall of the psychology, comprehend view of arts broader perspective to study the composite of human experience, considering interaction between individuals and the environment. Relation focus in highly important the personal relationships and the impacting system on the mental and the emotional health of individuals explains in the circular size. Contextual intervention is virtues and the therapeutic strategy focus on the mildly dysfunctional internal parents and the symptoms with disparity, trade reality, and the family problems. Preventing on the health promotion by considering the social and family context in which individual develop the system and promotes the prevention and the psychology is the sound promotion of the mental health verbose context. Advance the psychology it breaks more dynamic and the what perspective to find the psychology allow it adapted to complex of modern society and the needs of the individual intercourse and the changing context. Thank you.